What's up, everybody? The next Mission Bravo tactical carbine, actually tactical pistol class, is going to be February 16th, 2019. Mission Bravo tactical pistol class here on Oahu, February 16th, 2019. It's an all-day course. We're going to be doing a lot of shooting. We'll be doing 2 days worth of shooting in one day. I'll also be doing some handgun disarming, and it's going to be a class that you don't want to miss. So come on out and join us. Smith Taekwondo, Mission Bravo, defensive handgun, February 16th, 2019. Blood makes you related, but loyalty makes you family. Out.